In this video, we will be exploring the YouTestMe integration with Google Translate. You can forget about manually translating your questions and instead focus on creating the content for your upcoming exams. In YouTestMe GetCertified, it is possible to auto-translate tests and manually translate tests using various advanced tools. Candidates can select their preferred language on the login page and within their user profiles, and they can choose which language they prefer to use during the test-taking process. This option must be first enabled by the administrator or test creator before it is available. Log into your account using your credentials and go to the System module. From there, select Settings and Customization, Theme and Language, and Translation Settings. In the field below, you will be provided a Google Translate API key to enable on-demand translations for questions and tests. To test this out, go to the Test module and then to your question pools. Question pools are sets of questions used for generating tests or surveys. They can be structured hierarchically, enabling users to create subpools visible within the main question pool. Click the Questions tab and then proceed to make a new question. Please keep in mind you can only do this with newly created questions, not with already existing ones on the list. Thus, you cannot edit it into a question. Input the question, input the answers and mark the correct ones, and add any other question settings you'd like. To translate the questions using the API, find the translation button and click on it. From there, you can choose which language you'd like the questions and answers translated into. If you select the Auto Translate button, it will give you an automatic translation of what you've previously entered into the fields, thus saving you time and effort to input the information by yourself. This auto translation can be used on every type of question in the application. Once you've saved your changes, you can see them in this table and edit or remove them as you please. From the candidate's perspective, taking the test with the translation should look something like this. Thank you for paying attention, and see you in the next video.